It has passed.
Yeah.
It's a stunning garden. We're at International House.
Yeah, it looks a little bit like the Japanese tea garden.
Hi, bud. Happy to be here. Okay, so I'm going to walk around a little. These guys. These guys are so cute. Outside a little tiny shrine. Look, there's the Buddha. There's the little shrine up there. Very cute. I like this.
You cry until you laugh. After take until you're proud. I'm so good. I'm so good than anyone else can make.
Moss is slippery and it's wet. Wow, this is gorgeous. Things are weird in Japan. Sometimes you have really big handbags. Have somebody stand next to it, but it's really big.
Wow, it's good already, huh? That's a boy who likes his milky tea.
Milky tea! Yeah, you guys get fed, don't you? This is beautiful rock. Look at these flowers. We have these flowers where we are from. Oh, there's the waterfall. Beautiful waterfall.
What's the ones we like? These are really expensive. We like $10,000. No, these are 100. I can't get them.
More shopping. Oh, there's Toby.
Yeah.
Tell the nice people about the place that we went to where your mommy almost exploded.
We were going to stores and she almost exploded. And my feet really hurt.
Right. Do you think we'll be able to find our way back?
No.
I'm just going to show you a display. Ah! I can't take it anymore. Look, Barbie. Hello.
Ice
Okay.
watch. I want that green.
Really? Oh, look, we're actually back where we need to be, which is really weird because I don't even know where we are. Wow. Oh, really? That is a giant spider. Or something. Weird. Strange. Kind of repulsive. Interesting. What do you think, Soph?
It's a spider.
Play.
Nigerian touts. We can just cut across the
Street is called. What is this thing?
It's a sculpture, Mom. You don't
Is it?
actually have to question it.
Dark mofo. That is wild.
Okay. No, because you know that bunny who Marcy?
Okay.
You know that bunny
This
that
is Tokyo
Marcy was gonna
Midtown.
whistle
This is
train
what it's
him?
called.
You could put like 4 of them. Hi. Oh my goodness, he's so cute.
Kind of crazy.
That's what's on my notebook. That's not what's on my notebook.
These are different colors than what's on your notebook. Toby? Oh, I really like the wave. It's one of my favorite things. Let's see if it comes on. No. Oh, I see. This is the end of it. Oh, it went away.
Tokyo Midtown.
Or make it come back. Oh, I missed it.
Puppy! 2 puppies!
So, what'd you guys think of the exhibit?
What did you think of the exhibit?
Puppies!
Sophie would like
Sophie?
a puppy.
Sophie would like a puppy. What did you think of the exhibit?
I really enjoyed sitting on this bench.
It's a good bench. Really, guys. Kobe, you like the clay thing? Sophie?
It wasn't enough like a puppy. If it looked like a puppy, it would have been perfect.
It's a pretty park.
Face ones?
Hold on. Let's do the rinsing seat. Kobe got clean feet. Walking around all day. We're drying it off. I can say, Kobe, can you wait a second? Please. I can honestly say I've never blow dried anybody's feet before. Okay. Oh, you know what? Okay. What?
Can I glue around my face now?
Your face?
My hair.
That's my favorite rock. It's weird here, but I like it. There's the gate. And there are the tired children.
Sophie, look tired for the camera. Over here.
Where'd Kobe go?
Mom,
I'm right here.
you're recording.
Yeah, I know. You can't get any closer to me. No story.
This is so interesting.
Kobe, how's this morning going for you? Bad. You want to come down and get some coffee with me?
Was Kobe down there?
I'm afraid so. I think he likes it. Did anybody take video of our hotel room? Maybe I should wait until they make it up nice.